Welcome to educational live trade video of the day. So I'll be showing you how I traded on Avels today. So watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this, and also do subscribe to my channel. So guys, right now I'm short selling Havels in the market level now around 1351 level. So let's see how the stock will perform today. And I'm planning to keep the target up to 4 or 5 points, and the market today is up by 0.32% up. But as you guys can see here, Havels on the previous day it has gone up a bit, and also it has touched some of the resistance levels. So that's the reason why I'm guessing the stock should come down. So this is the trade what I've taken according to my study and the strategy. So let's see how it will perform. Okay. And also guys, if you guys want to learn the concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my unique and personal intraday trading course today. So in my course, I'll be teaching you the simple skills to make consistent profit. No indicators and no complicated things. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. So with my years and years of experience, I'll be guiding you all these things to make you as a profitable trader. And not only that, once you join us, you will be getting everyday live market guidance as well. Okay. And also you can just go inside my channel and watch a lot of educational videos and daily live trades what I uploaded for more than 3 years plus. And if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you can be a profitable intraday trader from today. So guys, yes, by being said that, now we are back to the trade, and as you guys can see here in the market depth, the sellers are a bit more, but that doesn't confirm you the trend. You have to know the other factors as well before you take the trade. So yes, according to my study and the strategy, the stock looks bearish. So let's see how it will perform, and I'll be telling you where I take the exit and everything. Okay, so watch the video till the end. And also, as you guys can see here, we are trading without indicators. So my strategies are very unique and very simple, and these are very straightforward strategies. So no need of using any indicators, but they are accurate. Okay. So guys, yes, if you guys can see, the stock is now coming down. It has given a breakout. So 1348 is a new low what it has made. So I plan to take my exit somewhere around 1346 or 45, somewhere around there, where I'll be booking like 5 or 4 points. So as I'll be doing the market exit, I need to keep some buffer as well. So that's the reason why I'm just waiting for that stock to come down. So 1348 is a new low what it has made, and as the stock price is above 1000 rupees, we can expect like 4 to 5 points up and down movement very easily. So these stocks above 1000 rupees are a bit volatile, and also it's a morning time, the market opening time, the volatility is almost there in any kind of stocks. So anyway, let's wait. And this stock has a good support somewhere near 1340 as well. So it might bounce back from there. So anyway, I'm not waiting till that levels because I'm following my strict discipline, and I'm keeping my target somewhere near 1345, and I'll just take the exit somewhere around there. Okay, so 1348 still trading around the same level. So let me just wait for the breakout to happen on that level. So I think once that gives a breakout somewhere around there, then I can expect some of the fast movement to happen in the stock. So again, it's now trading around 1348 levels only. Okay, so 1347 now. You're almost getting closer to the target here. So 1346.50 now. So yes, so according to the study, the stock is bearish now. So anyway, before it takes the support, I'll just take my exit. So yes, I almost got my target here, but waiting for it to come a bit down so that when I do the market exit, it will match my buffer. When I do the market exit, it will try to match the price, which is in a higher side. So that's why I'm just waiting for it to come down a bit. So 1346.05 now. So almost closer to the target, guys. So I'll just plan to take my exit somewhere over here. So 1346 now. So 1345 as well. Okay, so the stock is now bearish. So 1344. So I'll just take the exit now, guys, and I'll update it. Okay, so our target has been met here, if you guys can see. So guys, yes, as you guys can see here, the stock has made a low of 1344.40, almost 6 to 7 points. It has come down from the level where I've short sold. Yes, the target has been achieved. I took the exit. So this was the profit what I was able to book today, the today's trade of Havels. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us today. So guys, you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. So I upload daily live trades about what trade I take and what trade I do. So you can see all the performance, and if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us. I'll be guiding you guys personally in the live market. The same trade what I take and the same levels what I do, you will get the same trades as well. Okay. So if you are interested to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now.